Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup routine updated. I did one 6 months ago. Since then I have changed like the way I do my makeup. Disclaimer, I'm no makeup artist. I'm just doing it for fun. I would definitely take critiques and tips and like different tricks to do stuff, but you know, I watch a lot of makeup tutorials, so I try to, you know, learn a little something. But I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm just gonna get into it. So I'm gonna start, well, I already washed my face and stuff, so I'm just gonna start off using my Vanny cream. I don't know if you can see it. I'm actually trying to film in natural sunlight or whatever, and it keeps fluctuating in and out, so I'm trying to hurry up and get out the way. But this is basically just a moisturizing skin cream, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. Actually, I have all my stuff in the box. Why? I don't know, don't even ask me. And it kind of gets like tacky a little. So I'm pretty sure like if you want to use it for a primer, you can, because it's tacky. See? Okay. Then I'm gonna take this Clinique Even Better Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And this ball is so cold, it feels so good. And also, if you see me looking down, I have my mirror right here. All right, so after that I'm gonna take my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And literally, this is almost gone. So I'm using that as my primer. And also, since it's almost gone, I'm not gonna use that as my setting spray because I don't want it to like leave little, I don't know if you can see it, but I don't wanna leave little splatters at the end of my makeup. I also got some snacks today, some Cheez-Its, fire, and I got my grape. This is a grape crush, but it's in a like in a little packages. I just mixed it with some water. Fire. It's way better than the orange one. I'm just gonna let this dry. While that's drying, I'm just gonna be talking away. But I got this. Hold on. I'll take it out. The Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. And besides the Jack and Hill palette, which is so dirty, oh my goodness. Besides that palette, this is the only like other Morphe palette that I have. Look at it, y'all. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna incorporate that in my look today. I really don't know what I'm gonna do, because normally I don't do eyeshadow, but you know, I just feel like doing something today. And they also have this thing with all the names on it. So that's pretty cool too. That's about dry, so I'm gonna take my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Pore Minimizing. And I just put a little on that side, put a little on that side, because my pores are on that cheek area and above my lip. And so that's where I put that part. All right, now next, I'm gonna use my Angel Veil. Oh wait, hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. Angel Veil, the NYX one. I think NYX is the only one that has it, I don't know. So I'm gonna take that around the outside. I'm just gonna, I don't know why I put it on the outside, to be honest. I just do it, so. All right, so y'all, I just got the new Fenty Beauty foundation in 330. I don't really know if it's my color, but I'm just gonna mix this because I got the Fit Me foundation in 330. So I'm gonna mix these two because when I tried it, this was just I have really oily skin, but this was just like really, really matte for me. So I'm just gonna mix this dewy one and the matte one, and I'll see how I like it, because actually this will be kind of first impressions of this, so I hope it go well, y'all. So I'm taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. This mix. Fenty Beauty foundation has a very skin-like finish. It's really beautiful. And then the Maybelline has a nice subtle dewiness to it. I like it. I'm gonna take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I have caramel. So I'm gonna put this under my eye, getting my tribalness going on. And I'm gonna use the Tarte. Okay, y'all. The controversy with Tarte with the shades. I really feel like for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to be so popular, and then they have an opportunity to, you know, make more money with the foundation, and they didn't take the opportunity because they didn't put darker skin tones in there. I just feel like that was crazy. Don't shoot me for still using it, but I just feel like that whole situation was like, that was messed up. Blend, 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 bloop, 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 bloop. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in, what is this? Just Cool. I'm gonna take that. I know this is not my color. Gotta give me some chiseled cheekbones, okay? Right now, it's time to set. So I'm gonna take Midnight Banana Powder, and your girl's about to set under her eyes and her face. I don't know why I'm just waiting to just now to say this, but I'm just basically setting all the places that I put concealer so I can be locked in. I'm trying to be snatched. All right, so right now what I'm gonna do is I want my cheekbones to be snatched. I don't know if it's just me or, but I'm gonna carve it out. I'm not sure if this 39A palette has like a lot of fallout or anything, so I'm just trying to put the powder on the outer side so I can prevent it from falling out on my face. But right now I'm about to do my eyebrows, so I use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in 4. And I'm back. Girl, where you get them brows from? Benefit. All right, so I'm not really sure what makeup look I'm gonna create today. This infamous. Mind you, I don't do eyeshadow. I know I'm not gonna look like a fool or anything like that, but you know. So I already primed my eyelids when I was doing my concealer, and I set it with powder. I'm gonna take my Morphe Y19 brush. I'm going to dip into Vibrant. Hey, this color, y'all, It's really giving me life. I don't know about y'all, but I'm really breathing heavily right now. This is really pretty. Y'all wanna know something? My goal is to do eyeshadow like Nikki tutorial. That girl, when I tell you, she's bomb. Especially when it comes to eyeshadows, she know what she be doing. I love watching her. She's so inspirational. So I'm gonna dip into that color again. I'm gonna do my other eye. I'm gonna take Taylor, which is right here. And I'm gonna take it on my Morphe 204 brush. I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna see how it applies with the brush. And I'm just gonna go across my lid. I'm gonna take Dare Me, just right there. And I'm gonna put it on the outer part. And kind of winging it out. So I'm gonna take my Y9 brush and I'm gonna dust all this powder off. So right now I'm gonna take my NYX highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to mix these two shades and contour. And I'm just gonna do it in circular motions. Well, why I do it in circular motions is because I just don't want it to have like a straight line of contour. I got my liner. This is Maybelline Line Stiletto. Maybelline New York, you feel me? New York. And I'm just gonna basically line my top line. Since it is an everyday makeup look, you know, your girl don't know how to put on lashes. So if somebody could teach me how to put on lashes, that would be nice. But I'm just gonna use mascara, and I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit. So I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray and set my face. It's Lisa Frank in Glamour Dolls. It's a shimmer eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use it for a highlight. Look at it. Watch this. Watch this. You see it. So after this, I'm going to do inner corner highlight, and I'm going to take my line and look at it, y'all. It's cracked. I don't know how it happened. Take my Y22. So last but not least, my holy grail. Actually, I have a hard time trying to find a nude shade or something that really looks really nice on my skin tone. So if y'all my skin tone, or y'all know somebody that's my skin tone, or y'all like makeup artists and y'all can tell me like this will be good, just let me know. And y'all, this is my finished look. This is my everyday makeup routine. I mean, minus the eyeshadow. Basically everything that I used on my face or my eyebrows or everything is something that I use every time I do my makeup pretty much. I feel like my skin looks really flawless. This combo, like these two together, it is perfect. Like, it's flawless. I really appreciate you guys for joining me. Thank you. I will be posting once a week at least, because your girl gotta work, your girl gotta go to school, you know. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, my name is Tay. Deuces.